Hi guys. Okay, so today we are painting tiles. This is I had previously been painting the CDs and then I just went into painting tiles, but I didn't want to put them on the same video. So if you want to skip ahead to the assembly time, you want to go ahead and go to 8 minutes and 14 seconds. That's when we actually put together the tiles to the planter portion. But anyways, so we're using the same colors, which is the navy mix, the neutral gray, and gold. This was actually, these tiles were given to me by a friend of mine. She's redoing her bathroom, and I was like, hey, if you have any tiles that are presentable, that you don't break apart, I'll take them. So anyways, I got a whole bunch of tiles, so now I get to play with them. Anyways, so I got to paint on tiles for the first time, and it's a lot more fun than I expected, and it turned out amazing. So now I'm excited about doing this. I had seen a artist on Instagram making these awesome planters, and I'm like, this is so cool. So I wanted to share with you guys this idea, and because it's really not that difficult, and I'm very excited about it. Anyways, so here we go. We're going to just go through and paint these tiles, and I went and fast forwarded through the painting, and I need to work on my wet reveals, because that one was the only one that I actually paused for the camera. So, yeah, I hope everyone's having a great Labor Day weekend. Me and my family actually got to get away for a little bit, so we're enjoying a nice little getaway. We all needed the mental break, I'll tell you. This little homeschool at-home thing is definitely mentally challenging, I'll tell you that. But anyways, so we're just painting the tiles, and yeah, that was hit my camera there. My nice little camera setup. Anyways, I just love the Lazy Susan with the tiles, and how it just spreads the paint and does all of this. It's just takes all the mess and the mess. Yeah, we make a lot of mess, as you can see. I thank goodness for that box surrounding, or else I would have paint everywhere. But they just turn out so beautiful, so nice and easy. It's an easy project if you want to make these planters. Okay, so this is the last tile, and now it is assembly time. So we have duct tape, we have felt and the tiles, and of course we have to have the plant. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to turn all the tiles over. And now our goal is to put them all together. Now I ended up not using my razor blade. I thought I might, but I didn't. You put all of them together, the tiles, and then you're going to tape them. And I use duct tape because that's pretty much the strongest tape. So, and it seems like it's going to be working, because you want the tiles to be still movable, but you still want them to hold. So and you can tape it however you want, but this seemed to be the best way in my eyes. I don't know, but this is just, you know, there's no particular way to do it, but so you just tape all the tiles together. And then what I did was I took a long strip and I cut it in half, and then I put it on either side of those 3 pieces of duct tape, just to kind of hold it all together. Kind of creating a hinge. And maybe there's something out there that will do this as well, that is a hinge for tiles. I don't know. But as you can see, we have created a hinge, but it folds flat. And that is what I'm looking for. And then you put the plant inside. Now, my particular plant was not, it was short, so I ended up putting like one of my little cups inside, and then the plant sits inside. Lifted it, you know, it lifted it up a little bit. And there you have your planter. Now what I ended up doing with the felt is I ended up gluing it, but I didn't do it on the video because I was pressed for time. So and pretty much I glued it and then I cut it around the edges, and once you glue it you can just end up pressing it down on one side and you don't have to cut all 4 edges, so it goes pretty easy. But this was the finished look before I put in the felt. So even before you put the felt in, it still looks pretty cool. This is once I put the felt in, and it looks awesome. I'm very excited about it. And now it's sitting on my mantle, which is awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very thrilled with this little project. I'm going to be making more. I am excited about the whole matter of making tiles, because when I redo my kitchen, oh yes. But this next pictures that I'm going to be showing, you can actually lay them flat too, as like a coaster or whatever, and they look amazing.